Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So I'm going to be talking to y'all about the BISSELL SpotClean portable spot cleaner. So yeah, right now basically I'm in the process of moving out all my stuff out of an apartment. We're moving into a house. So I've been basically just I pulled this out of the garage trying to spot clean a lot of places on the carpet. And there are basically a lot of little carpet stains in here that are really hard to get out, that we've kind of covered up over the years. And so now I have this thing, and it actually does really well. In use, I found that it actually does deep clean spots more so than other little spot cleaner treatments that I've used in the past, like different sorts of chemicals and things like that. Essentially what it does is it heats up the water so that you can create like steam, as well as a hot water solution. The water temperature feels like it stays pretty consistent over the course of your actual cleaning time. So you're gonna have like a while to do it. It's not gonna get cold fast or anything. It's gonna stay nice and heated up. You're gonna be able to really take your time, get in there and clean, which I really like. The stain tool here is awesome. So you have basically two kind of things going on over here. You have basically this one right here, and this is kind of like the long nozzle, so you can basically use this to spray on the formula that you're using, whatever kind of formula that you get to put in here. You can spray it on with this little kind of trigger right here, and then brush it up as you're going. What it's going to do is it's going to pull things out of the carpet, working from the roots up with these little bristles and everything, and you can really dig in there deep. It's nice because this hose is so long right here, so you can get into harder to reach places. Behind, we definitely have like our couches where they were pressed up against the wall, and we had covered up some stains from years ago, so we had to get back there and really get deep in there, and this was actually really helpful for that. You also have right up here this deep reach tool. Deep reach tool also kind of has the same thing, although it has these rubber things, I don't even know what you would call them, on there as well, so you can get even deeper into carpet. This is really helpful if you have really fat carpet, or really tall carpet, I guess you could say. You can change that out for the nozzle. Cool thing is this tube is really strong, really sturdy, but also flexible, so you're not going to have any issues with it breaking or getting tangled or mangled or whatever. It's going to be totally fine, and you're good to go. But yeah, it's great for cleaning up those nasty kinds of spills. Also, for filling and emptying this thing out, it's pretty easy. So you get these two plastic units that come out. They basically fill up, as you can see. There was solution in this one. I think there's solution in this one. There's water in this one. And you put the solution in, you close the rubber cap, and you put it out. So, it's easy to take them out. The only thing that I would say is kind of hard is when you're trying to dump everything out, the water, when it's upside down, the water will stay up here. So it's really difficult to get all of the water out. You kind of have to like just put it upside down and kind of let it drip and air dry overnight. Get it really clean and dry, but other than that, it's very easy. Also, the fact that these are made out of plastic makes this thing very lightweight. I mean, the overall design of this thing is very portable as it is. As you can see, it's really not that big. It's about, compared to like this thing of detergent, it's pretty small. Very portable, very easy to like carry around from room to room. And you also have this nice little convenient handle up top right here. That's great because it just helps carrying it. It makes it a little less awkward to carry it around, which is awesome. And yeah, it's very simple to use. You have the long cord back here, similar to like a vacuum cleaner. It wraps around the top in like a circular shape. Stores up really nicely. The cord's long though, so you can be in one room and be deep cleaning another room without having to switch outlets, which is nice. And then everything packs up in its own little spot. You have this 3 cords back here. Oops, it's kind of hard to get in with one hand. There you go. So yeah, you can pack it all up and it becomes just one whole unit. Power button on top right here makes it very simple. It's very self-explanatory. Yeah, you know, if you're someone who has maybe dirty carpets or whatever, moving out of the place, and you really just need to get those deep stains out before you're gone, I would highly recommend getting one of these things. Again, it's the BISSELL SpotClean Portable Carpet Cleaner, and yeah, definitely check it out. Alright guys, take it easy.